ഈശ്വർ മാൽപേയ്ക്ക് അർജുൻ അരികിലേക്ക് എത്താൻ കഴിയുമോ എന്നറിയാൻ നമ്മൾ ആകാംക്ഷയോടെ കാത്തിരിക്കുന്നു. സതീഷ് സെയിൽ MLA-യുടെ വാക്കുകളിലേക്ക്.
Risk for that it was delayed, nothing more than that. Today I spoke to your agriculture department in Kerala, Baba, what is the status of that particular machine, floating machine. Then he said machine with the 2 nautical miles, no problem, but operator is not well. He is having some disease problem and it has affected his liver also. That what Mr. Agriculture Department...
you mean the dredging machine, right?
Yeah, dredging. It is not a dredging. It is just scattering the way. What I want to see now, our person is trying, right? In front of you only you are looking. He is going even down below from the ground. But he cannot open the mud. How much he can open the mud? If he opens, then again the soil become red.
Sir, maybe also tell that.
Yeah, same it is.
Sir, what is our plan?
Now next, today I spoke to government of Goa. There is a one pontoon based dredger is there. I told captain from Goa, Octavia, and ports minister Alex Sikera, I talked to them. They said you give a letter from district administration and madam is giving the letter also, and our director of ports Karwar, we are going along with our machine to tow that particular crane, this Pockland mounted pontoon. Now today we are taking that action. In the meantime, same method will also adopted.
Sir, half day is finished. Any point or any result to get the rescue?
See, yesterday after also we have tried. We got whatever the material, jack and all we have shown you.
Hello.
And owner of the vehicle has told it is purchased by us only in outside. But we are not getting 3 bodies for us. I want that. I'm not bothered about truck. I'm bothered about all 3 bodies which is inside stuck. And now this is the last episode which I'm trying with our department to give the opportunity and give the NOC to make that trial. Our tug will go from here. Tug will go from Karwar to Goa, and from there tug will tow the big machine. It is a big machine. Okay.
When it will come from the beginning?
Now on.
In the first phase of rescue operation, you face some technical issues while
No,
from
the day when I told pontoon is required. Your Kerala pontoon is exactly what we are looking for. That was 0.5 meter draft. But unfortunate, your Kerala government has, agriculture department has not given. They asked that 4 nautical miles only we can work. Now with 2 nautical miles, we have told them. Now, why I'm telling you, boss, why from Kerala it has not sent? Every day they are observing your TV. They are also aware of that this is a 2 nautical miles speed now.
Sir, before
Sir,
that, you
No,
planted
just
to bring
wait.
that package from Goa.
Just answer my question, boss.
Sir,
Just-
might get the difficult.
No, just wait. See, when 2 nautical miles speed has come, yesterday we have told, your people are not acted. Again I have called today. You can check my mobile. You can talk to Vivancy.
What's the response, sir?
He is telling again the same thing. Give the letter.
Thrissur DC, Thrissur collector, sir.
No, it is from that his Vivancy from that particular department.
Agriculture department.
Yeah, agriculture department.
Sir, will we send again a request?
I requested them Whatever fees is required, we will pay. You send this side also. From this side also, I am bringing. Which one? Our Goa, our Karnataka tug will go, and from Goa they will take to the pontoon which is mounted with the big forklift.
So you are bringing
from the
from
beginning
Goa,
there
right?
is a
Yeah.
report
When
that
it will come? When it will come?
In the meantime, I am requesting you, you also tell your people to send that much. See, we have to make strengthening.
Sir, did you send any
Only
written
one
request
side,
to
it is
Kerala
not fair,
Agriculture Department?
boss.
Sir, did you send any written request to department?
Yeah, our DC is giving now.
And what is the
And
current?
she spoke to, even I spoke. She also spoke to our Vivensi Trichur.
And what is the current situation of this operation?
He is trying, boss, because I am telling you again and again. See, with the logs, stuck cannot be hold inside. If it is easy to remove, it has stuck in the mud. Unless until that mud, top mud, you have not scattered, that vehicle will not come. Vehicle means what? In that vehicle, I am thinking in that vehicle, our 3 people are stuck.
Sir, now what is the technical barrier for bringing that pontoon from Goa or this
No, that is from Goa government. We have taken the permission. They have told that we will give you the permission properly, because this monsoon is over now. Fishing has been started from day before yesterday. Okay, now they will open, and particularly sea-going permission we have to seek from them, and from our port director is now on the way. He will take the tug. He will go to Goa, and while coming back, we will come with that particularly.
how many days are taken to bring the pontoon from here?
Tomorrow is August 15th. 15th August tomorrow. I doubt tomorrow because office are open, closed.
And after getting this pontoon, what will be the rescue operations?
Rescue operations, nothing. It is we will scatter all these drifts and whatever the side. No, we will bunch. We will scratch and we will see whether it is floating or not.
Sir, would it be possible to bring that pontoon from Goa through river or by on road?
By road, it is not possible. Only the possible thing was by road. It is Kerala government's this agriculture this thing.
Then how we overcome the bridges?
That we have already now we have taken the height and all these things. Now they are coming, and there is a method also. Suppose if the vessel is bringing some problem, then we will water it, ballast. It will go down. Once they have come out, again it is a deballasted. Means again that water will be removed.
After independence.
That systems are there, technical systems.
Sir, after independence.
Operation will continue.
I am there. If you are telling me night also I have to work, means I will work, boss.
Okay, sir. Thank you.